Take a look at how we can use the form notifications option in Google Forms with our Breakout EDU games. So I'm in Google Forms. I have a few sample questions in here that I'm going to use for other videos and things. But to get to form notifications, I'm going to click on this puzzle piece in Google Forms, and it's for add-ons, and I'm going to go to form notifications. When I do, this little box comes up and I just have to hit configure notifications. And over here, here's form notifications. Typically, people use form notifications in the notify me, sort of a world where they want to know when someone fills out a form so they can respond or something. But in looking at games, I like this idea of using the notify respondents piece of this, because when someone fills out a Google form as part of your game, you can automatically send them back an email, so you aren't managing anything in the middle of the game. So how this works is you just basically choose which question from the form is going to give Google Forms their email. Well, this question is titled email, so that's the correct question. Awesome. Here's the subject and the body of my email. I'm just going to leave those standard for this video, but in the body, I mean, you could put another link or another clue, or maybe it's the answer to some clue or something. Like, you could get really creative with the body of the email there. And so you basically set up your email, click save, and now your form is set up for anytime anyone fills it out. I'm going to go to preview here. So now I'm live on the internet as a user filling out your Google form. As I go and I fill out the Google form, what's going to happen, and for saving of time, I'm not going to answer all these questions. When I submit, I get my response here, saying thanks for my form. But if I wait just a few seconds, there it goes. It just popped into my email. So if I jump over to my email here, here is that email that I automatically had Google Forms send out. You'll notice that the email comes from the person whose Google account was used to create the form. So if that's going to potentially mess up the storyline of your game, you may look at creating a fictitious email, a fictitious Gmail that kind of goes with your storyline, and create the Google form in that fictitious account. But I hope this helps in looking at how you would use the form notifications tool in Google Forms with Breakout EDU games.